Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I wanted to do a how much am I earning on all of my GPU mining rigs currently, including my other basement as well, okay, with all the 3070s you guys know that are mining right now. But I have another set of GPUs here, and I have various models, 3070s, A2000s, 3090s, which I'm going to be taking the 3090s out for salad. That'll be for another video. But yeah, Radeon 7s, RX 6700 XTs, 5700 XTs, RTX 2060s, RTX 2070s, and like 3080s, and I think 1660 series GPUs. I have it all. I have various GPUs, and what I'm gonna do is calculate how much I'm earning on all of them combined, and also we're gonna take note of how much power consumption I am using. Okay, so we're gonna keep track of this. I'm just gonna record these numbers here. Total PDU power on, I got 3 PDUs, actually no, 4 PDUs dedicated to mining. So I'm gonna refer back to all these numbers, and I am going to see how much power we are mining on everything, and then I'm going to see how much, revenue we are earning, and then how much profit, okay, because I'm going to minus out the electrical usage. Now I do have a iServer KS3M that is on here as well on, I believe it's this PDU here, so 11 amps and 14 amps. So I know majority, actually all of my GPUs that are on in this area is all in octa-miners. So I'll be able to see in HiveOS roughly how much power we're using at the wall. Okay, they're pretty smart at seeing how much power we're using at the wall, and also my other 3070 place as well. I'll just take a total there and a total here, and then all the coins I'm currently mining are basically Zealous, and I got some Chlor, mining some Chlor on some AMD rigs, and I do have this rig here that is mining Novo at the moment. Okay, so yeah, it's I'm gonna calculate how much I'm earning here. So I will go into the computer and I'll show you guys how much I'm earning after my electrical costs on everything. So I'll show you that right after a word from today's video sponsor.
Wondering what crypto miner hosting is and why you need it? If you're tired of dealing with high heat, constant noise, and skyrocketing electric bills from running your crypto miners at home, we've got the solution. Welcome to Terra Hosting. We make crypto mining hassle-free. Our top-tier facilities ensure your operations run smoothly with an impressive average 99% uptime. Need help? Our 24/7 support team and repair services are always ready to assist you. Got a broken machine? We offer RMA assistance to get you back on track as fast as possible. While you wait for your unit, Terra Hosting will loan you a similar model so that you don't lose hash rate, keeping your profits coming in. Looking to expand your farm? Our clients get significant discounts on mining hardware. Make the smart move to Terra Hosting. Visit terrahosting.io today and experience stress-free crypto mining.
Okay, guys, right off the bat, I just want to show you currently all of my GPUs that are mining right now, how much we've earned, okay, in terms of, I guess, the revenue, also the yield, how much power I'm using, and then the electrical costs, and then we'll figure out what the profit is. You can see it right here. So that's it. You can close the video now. But no, if you want to listen to me just explain all that I have here and, all that I'm mining currently, then stay with me here, okay? So just first, all of the GPUs that I have, okay, it's a bunch, I already said it, it's a bunch of 30 series cards. I have some 20 series, some 16 series, but overall, I have about 151 GPUs online on this farm here, and then I have another about 88 online over here. Now, some of you guys may remember I do have a spec mining rig, all 6600 XTs that I'm doing for long term. I am not adding these in, okay, in terms of the revenue profit generation here. I'm just mainly doing this for my other farms here because this one here is meant for long term. And yes, you guys may see one that's offline for the past 8 days. The RepTech board is completely dead. I don't know what it is. It will not go back into HiveOS after, reformatting hard drive. So I have to get another RevTech board. I'll do another video on that. But anyways, besides the point, let's go back here. Okay, so all of my GPUs here, Zealous, Clore, a little bit of Novo, and yeah, that's it. And my 3070 farm at my other place here is all on Zealous. These are all 3070s. Combined, I have 40.15 mega hash on Zealous right now. As of yesterday, I yielded about 5.17 Zealous in 1 day, and I can confirm with you guys here on K1 pool about 5.1757 right here. And currently the revenue about that total amount is worth about $77.95. The total power consumption for all that is about 24,000 watts or 23.95 kilowatts. Okay, so then the electrical cost is going to be about $44.83 for me at about 0.078 USD. Okay, that's the cost for electric. So then what is the profit of me mining Zealous right now? Well, it's about $33.12 after my electrical cost. Okay, so that's how much I'm making after my electrical cost. Now I have Clore. Okay, you guys can see the results here. I'm basically mining about $3.89 right now on Vipor right now, which is pretty cool here, vipor.net. But I think I'm earning, okay, I'm going to go through something here later on that I think the profit calculators are maybe wrong, but you guys can give me your thoughts here later. But the past 24 hours, I earned about 33 Clore, okay, about $3.89 worth of Clore. So I put that in the sheet here. I'm using about almost 2,400 watts. And the electric cost for that is about $4.41. So I'm actually losing in terms of profit here. I'm negative 52 cents mining Clore on my two AMD card AMD rigs, 5700 XTs and 6700 XTs. Okay, so I'm losing there. But then now I also have this Novo rig, which really isn't much, but I've yielded about almost 750K worth of Novo here. I'm just spec mining this corn on this GTX 1060 rig. Some of you guys may remember this rig that I built not too long ago, and it's just spec mining. I'm planning on changing to a new coin here shortly. I don't know what yet, but I'll keep you guys updated. But I got to record this here. Earned about 34 cents worth, but after electric, I'm losing about 33 cents a day on this Novo rig. But combined total, I'm spending about $50 in electric, but after electric, I'm earning $32.27 on everything here. Obviously, the Zealous is the one that's making the money here. Everything else, like Clore, because I'm holding Novo, I'm holding for long term, I guess. And Zealous, I've been holding and I have been selling. The price of Zealous has been doing some fun stuff. But now, I just want to do some quick comparison here on hashrate.no, a calculator website to just show you how much you could earn, I guess, in the next 24 hours. So my Clore rig, 387 mega hash, supposedly I'm supposed to earn about 44.15 Clore a day in revenue. Okay, but here on Vipor, I've earned about 33. So I was just looking at the pool effort, okay, in terms of their percentage here. And it shows that, looks like, it just updated last 5 minutes, 117% pool effort. So they're not at the average like 100%, or especially the past 7 days. They're at 112% the past 7 days. So the pool luck is not as nice, okay, per se, over the past 7 days. So I guess that kind of coincides with me getting, my actual earnings. I'm getting a little bit less than what I guess hashrate.no is maybe calculating. It could be wrong though. Okay, hashrate.no could have it a little bit higher than normal. But the pool luck factor is obviously a big variable when it comes to this, and whichever pool you're mining. I guess overall, like in the span of a year, this should, break even at like 100% normally. It's probably just, some pools are lucky, some pools are not, and it always switches all the time. So it's not to say that, Vipor.net is a bad pool. It's just unlucky at this point in time. And maybe, in the next month or two or something, it could be extremely lucky and you'll see the pool effort below 100%. So just take that with a grain of salt there. I just wanted to do some comparison there. But next, my Novo, looks like I'm earning a little bit less in terms of the yield. So it says I'm supposed to earn 880,000 Novo, but according to Wooly Pulley here, I've earned about 750 K Novo. All right, so that looks like it's showing a bit more than what I'm supposed to earn. Then Zealous here. Okay, here's the big one here. It's supposed to earn about 5.96 Zel, about $88.73 in a day. So obviously I'm not earning that. I'm earning 5.17 yield and about $78 in revenue. Okay, so about pretty much $10 less than what's posted here. So now that I think about it, maybe hashrate.io is inflating the numbers maybe a little bit, or maybe by chance that the network difficulties or the hash rate has fallen off these 3 coins for some reason. And now maybe the next day, if I do another recording of the video, maybe I'll earn 44 Chlor or 880K Novo, or maybe 5.96 Zal because the network difficulties have dropped. I don't know. Maybe I can do another video tomorrow and let me know if you guys want to see that. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to do this to tie into a video that I did yesterday regarding, you know, my journey here into building a bunch of like AI rigs. And I'm putting them on Salad, basically. This new type of it's not mining, okay? It's instead using GPUs to outsource your GPU, to rent it out to people that want to do some type of compute, and they're paying pretty good money to rent your rig, okay? So I did this video yesterday. I'm doing like 9 or 10 different 3090 rigs, and if I get them all up here, which is going to be in the next couple of days here, I should be potentially earning up to about $50 US a day. And each rig is going to be using about $1 a day in electricity if it's full-time 500 watts on each rig. But I've seen, and some of you guys may have saw my live streams of setting up one of these rigs, is that it doesn't always every time use a 500 watts. Sometimes it goes down to 100, 200, 80 watts. Like it's going up and down with these rigs. So anyways, I just wanted to do a difference there. And when I get everything all up and going, you know, the 10 Salad rigs that I'll have, then I will be doing a comparison against my, you know, almost 250, 300 GPUs that are mining currently. And if this, you know, all these GPUs that are mining, which are taking, you know, almost 26,000 watts versus, you know, 5,000 watts if I have 10 4090s 3090s going, I mean, that's a pretty big difference. And so that's why I made this video yesterday, the day before, that I will be able to offset my electrical usage from my GPUs here by paying it off, okay, with my Salad earnings, so that I'll be able to hodl more of the yield of whatever coin I decide to mine. Maybe I'll probably switch off to mining something else, but it's just, you know, I just wanted to put that into perspective like that way. And so it's not me getting out of GPU mining or anything. It's me trying to supplement the electrical cost that obviously, you know, times are a little bit rough now for GPU mining, dependent on your electrical cost, of course, but it's yeah, obviously it's down. But, you know, I'm trying to also diversify in a way to, yeah, help alleviate, you know, the burden of the electrical cost that I'm incurring with all my GPUs here. Well, $50, you know, $50 a day on everything, that I can maybe help, you know, pay it off a little bit by doing this whole Salad journey that I'm starting to get into. But it's not, I'm not going to go full force, you know, have like hundreds of these machines. No, because the internet bandwidth utilizing on these things is going to be a lot, and you need to have good internet upload, download, especially because it's downloading gigabytes and gigabytes of bandwidth every hour. So got to be mindful of that as well. And, you know, network security, a bunch of stuff, which I'm going to do another video explaining some tips and tricks regarding Salad and how I got my rigs up and what to do and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that video if any of you guys are interested. But there's been a lot of people who have been joining up, and so all the containers, I guess the people are using 64 gigs of RAM. Those that have that have a higher chance of getting a container. And so, you know, as more people join up, I mean, it depends on how Salad is able to garner more of these compute jobs, more containers for everybody. So we'll see how that goes. But I'll keep you guys updated. Let me know your guys' thoughts about all this stuff, and I will do another comparison next week sometime, comparing Salad to my GPU mining, and do some theoretical stuff as well. All right, I'll see you all in the next one. Let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. Peace out.